Welcome to the No BS of Affiliate Marketing series, where I'm going to get down to the bare bones truth of it all. Let's start with the number one question I always get. Is this a get-rich-quick system? Other people may lie to you and tell you, you only have to work 1 to 2 hours a day and you'll start making $10,000 a month. But I'm not that person. And yes, this can happen to $10,000 a month, but definitely not in the beginning. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Anything that's worth it takes work. So you need somebody who's not going to blow smoke up your ass and give you the real truth. In the beginning, I waste a lot of time and money on courses and programs trying to learn how to do this all, and none of them really taught you how to take what you learned and use it in real life. I would spend hours after working my full-time job, then learning how to do a whole other job, and it was just a circle. And then after getting it all set up, is it making me money? Yes. Was it get rich quick? Definitely not. So if you're looking for something, bam, it doesn't exist. So my main piece of advice would be just start now. I found one that's actually free after getting all those expensive ones, and it's working. It doesn't cost anything to get started. So get rich quick? Definitely not. But is it worth it and something great to try that's free? Yeah, so why not?